Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix when keeps restarting on Realme 16. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and you will see. After swipe up, enter your phone pin. You will see your phone is restart. So after the process, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on software update. Click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset, enter your phone pin. Again click on clear, so you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps restarting on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.